This is LeetCode code question number 438. Find all anagram is in a string. This is medium question and it got a lot of recommendation. Okay, let's get into it. Given a string S and non-empty string P. At this time, S is non-empty? No. So we need to do prevent edge case for this. Find all of start index of S, anagram in S. String consists of lowercase English letter only, and the length of both string S and P will not be larger than 20,100. The order of output does not matter. Okay, let's check example 1. Okay, in this time, P is ABC. Anagram is the letter length, the frequency of character is same. So A1, B1, C1. So anagram is CBA, BCA. Okay, let's check the first ABC. And then check with CBA. Is this anagram? Yes, because A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1. So input 0. And then because the first index of letter is 0. And then next is the BAC, A1, B1, C1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6. So output is 0 and 6. Did it make sense? How we can solve this one? There are two approaches for this one. First, base algorithm is same. First, get a frequency of each character first, and then compare with the one by one. And then there are two approaches to checking the anagram. First, we able to use array, and then array consists the 26 item from A to Z, and then index 0 is represent count of A, and 25 is represent frequency of Z. And then we made 2. 0, 25. And then this one for P. And then this one for part of S. And then we after fill the here in this time A1, B1, C1, and then this one is C1, B1, A1. We will compare with iteration one by one, and then this array value is the same, and then that means the two words is anagram. Okay, can you check time complexity? Is it linear? No, because this is the fixed value. So fixed value we can express O1. And then another is use the hash function. Character. And then add to sum. One of the advantage of hash sum, if we read hash sum add ABC, the sum is the same as BCA and anything, because order does not care. So if we use hash map, we can also determine if these two words is anagram or not. This time I'm gonna use the hash table. Let's implement. Okay, good. First, I will do edge case of this one. If S is smaller than P, I will return empty array. If length S is smaller than length P, I will return empty array. And I will do next. I will make two variables. Sum S is initially with 0, sum P initially with 0, and then I will fill the sum P and sum S first. For I in range, the same length of P, and sum S is append add with hash si, and sum P add to hash pi, and then now we make the hash sum 2, and then now we check this one is anagram or not. If sum S same as sum P, if it is same and this is anagram, so output append the first of index 0. And then now I check this one with this one. Next I will iterate one by one and then compare it here, 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 and then next what I needed to do is first deduct hash of the C and then add new item, new character hash value to the sum. This time this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the start point of I. So delete is, this one is I minus length P. 1 here, 1, 2, 3. It makes sense. So I will deduct this one and then add this one. Okay. For I in range, start with length P and then the length S. And I will deduct some S minus hash S I minus length P. Then I will add some S hash S I. And if some S is same as some P, I will put append I. Start point is I minus length P is the deleted, so first is plus 1. Last, finally I will put up. Okay. Okay, let's calculate complexity. Time complexity is it iterates only n time, so time complexity is the linear time with space complexity is there are no extra space without output. Yes, it's constant space. Thank you.